Well, hello everyone. How y'all doing today? This is the Cajun with our Yamaha MODX6 Plus. We've got our pianote books. We're going to do a little warm-up for you and show you what our warm-up's all about. First thing we do is we want to go through our black keys, and we're going to hit C sharp and D sharp at the same time with 2 fingers and go across the board from right to left. Then we're going to hit our G flat, A flat, and B flat from right to left with 3 fingers. And now we're going to do the same thing with the left hand from left to right. Now we're going to, from our right hand, we're going to go to C. We do our left hand from left to right on C. Now we're going to go G. And our right hand. Then we're going to go B. So now we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to start on C. See, I struggle a little bit with my left hand. It takes a little bit of getting used to. And that's some of the ways I warm up before I get to practicing my chords. So this is going to be our C major root chord. C, F, and G. So I wanted to show you how I warm up. That's part of my little warm up. This is a short video today. We're going to keep giving you future videos on how we warm up and the different things we're going to play as we learn. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new to the piano, check out Pianote. That's what I use online. Get these little warm-up sessions, and it helps your fingers move around the keyboard with your brain connecting your right and your left hand, and hopefully as the more you practice, the better you get. This is the Cajun, Cajun's YouTube channel. Hope y'all have a good day. Come on, Bella.